I'm Radona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Peggy with me. She's my second mom. She's such a sweetheart. She treats my kids and I just like her own. So I have met her, gosh, what, 7, 8 years ago? Eight. And anyway, we've been best friends ever since. So, but she's darling and I love her so much. But I want to show you her cute haircut. So, oh, and I was going to show you guys too. Sorry about that. We've been growing. She's been gonna do like a longer bang. So we've been growing, kind of growing that out. And she's like, I'm done. Done with the front bang thing. I can't do it. So I'm going to show you how to shorten that to make it fun and so it'll just kind of stand up. So that's what we're doing with that area. Okay. Now the back, she likes straight across. We like this just nice and even and short. Yeah, she is so good to us.
And I think Radona is why I moved to Mona.
Oh, you're so cute. That's right. It's the other daughter, right?
Right.
She has her one daughter and son, but I'm her other daughter. Like she's my other mama. It's just how it worked. It is. It's so, I love that, you know, you can meet someone and end up being like we are. Like it's just, I just love it so much. Okay, so we're leaving this long enough to just kind of spike it up. It's not extremely short, but it's shorter. Just so she can grab at it and poke it up. Okay, now more towards the bottom, not here because she has calyx here. So I'm trimming this, taking it a little shorter, but she has calyx. So if it's too short, it's gonna like, you know, go like this and split. So we like to leave it a tiny bit longer through this area. Once we get through that, then I can start going in more towards the nape of her neck. So we do kind of like to leave that a tiny bit longer so it doesn't stick out funny where her calyx are. Gotta love calyx.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Must be the side I sleep on.
You know what? Honestly, I seriously think, I mean, people that come in, and that have a weird side or this side, they're like, well, I sleep on that side. And I'm like, well, I mean, it's obviously not proven, but I can guarantee it has something to do with it. So yeah, you can see I took some off around that area, but a little bit more towards this bottom area. Okay. All right, now by her ear, I'm gonna take quite a bit there just so it's nice and tight so she doesn't have a lot bugging her by her ear. Okay, I'm gonna bring my shears this way, take some of that length off. Okay. Yeah, Peggy's one that we can just tell each other anything and bad days, good days, all the days. I love it.
We really like the good days.
Yes, we really like the good days. Absolutely. We focus on those for sure. For sure. Okay, I'll hold that out. Bring that in a little. Then of course a little bit more down by this ear. And when you hold that hair, take some of that off. Okay, awesome. Okay, now this front part. So this is all grown out, okay? So say you have a longer bang like this and you're wanting to go what she's going to be going, you are gonna come straight across from this back layer. Okay, you're gonna come straight across and you're gonna point to cut into this. But you're gonna wanna come from that shorter layer and just go straight across. And you can see when I'm point cutting, it's not like, I mean, it's still even going up, you know what I mean? But you have a little bit of movement, a little in and out. That just helps. Add a little bit of texture, not much, but just enough to make a difference. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Now her sides she doesn't like extremely short, so I obviously am gonna bring those in a little bit. Okay, I'm just doing a 90 from here all the way to that top layer. Okay, take a little bit here. A little bit there. Coming up to the top layer again. You doing good, Peg?
I'm doing great.
She's sweet when I says, can we videotape you? Oh, sure, whatever helps you. See, it's the mama thing again. Mama's always helping. Okay, so we're just gonna go shorter there again a little bit. You can see that length I'm taking there. So it's still over her ear. It's not cut up above it, it's down below it a little. Like that, but it's more, I've just cleaned it up there. Okay, now for the other side. And she has calyx here too, so I take from this length, she has a few.
I spent a lot of time in bed.
Oh, that is the best, that is darling. Okay, so, yeah, this one's caused from the afternoon naps.
Yeah, that could be it.
Oh, just kidding, that's cute. So I'm coming from that top layer over there to take that length. That's how much length you know to take off. That's just a good guide in blending everything. It's going from that top layer down. Okay, and of course, we're not gonna go up above the ear. We're just gonna come down here and we're just gonna clean that up. Hold this to make sure that that back and the side blend through there. Okay, and then a little bit of open and shutting the shears, just piecing this out a little bit. Okay, same thing with the bang, not way short, but we are shortening it because of, she's like, not doing the long bang thing. Yeah. You'll forget too, Peg, just how easy it is when it is short.
Yeah.
Like when you can just hurry and dry it. Okay, so I'm doing this and I'm holding this up. It still seems too long to me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is come up, I'm gonna let this bang area out. I am gonna take this a tiny bit shorter through this area. Just feels like it's still too long to you know, grab and hold up a little bit. Because we've grown it for quite a few months.
Yeah, I have. I think this is 3.
Yeah, so that's, yeah, see, so I'm needing to take some more for sure. That was, and that's good for us because usually we just keep it short and we try for a month and we're like, nope.
Not working.
Yeah.
This haircut spoils you because it is so easy.
It's true, right? And then if you try to change, you're just like, ugh.
Yeah.
So true. Okay, so we make this side shorter also. And just make sure, you know, you get with those sides so it's all blending. So you don't go back and make that shorter and then have your longer sides. Okay, sweet. All right, now with Peggy, I'm going to take the bigger texturizing shears because I want to make it really piecey up here throughout her hair. So I'm coming down not at her scalp, it's about a 1/2 inch off of her scalp. And then I just come in and I cut like 1, 2, 3 as I go up. So it gives it those different lengths throughout. So it'll be easier for Peggy to style, and it will piece it out when she puts the paste in it to piece it out. Okay, now I'm just gonna do a tiny bit here in her front bang area. Okay, super fun. All right, now I'm gonna take the mousse, put that in, rub that around good. Then the volume and lift spray. This is like the thickening spray and the root lifter together. It's one of the new products, and it's almost like they put them together, and I'm loving it. Loving it. So just rub that in. Okay. And now the back, you're just going to dry down. Back and forth with your fingers. So move it back and forth, your hands, your fingers, and then when it's almost dry, take the Epic brush, or if you have a paddle brush, I like the Epic brush because the air will go through those holes. You just go back and forth with that. Check this since I cut it new to make sure. And cut a little bit here. Okay, and then we'll put the paste on it and we will be set. It's so funny after you dry it and things like that, like you can just tell when you hold the hair up what's off, or if there's a little longer piece or something like that. It's great. Okay. Now the styling paste. This is the styling paste that I've been using now, and this is from Sexy Hair. A lot of people have been asking about it, so I just wanted to let you know that's what I've been using. Okay, now I just go to where it's like clear, and then just start grabbing at the hair. Sorry, this is loud. My bracelets are loud today. Of course, I don't stop talking much, so maybe nobody can hear it.
Yeah, I didn't hear it.
That is one thing I like to do, is talk. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is just back comb a little bit and then put it into its spot. I do wanna make sure that these are pieced out good. Okay, we need to do a little bit of cutting in the front, which I figured we would by just cutting it off. So a little bit there of that length. You can see that it was just a little bit too long. And by the time she come back in 5 weeks, it would drive her nuts. Plus, you know, you kind of get to know your clients and what they love and what they don't. So Okay, I'm gonna just, this seems a little bulky through here. So I'm just gonna take a little bit out of that area. See, that bulk's kind of gone from there. That looks a lot better. Let's check this side. And it's just crazy how taking a little bit out of, you know, an area that's more, you know, full or thick, how much better it styles. Okay, sweet. All right, now I'm gonna come up through here, back comb. I just hold up top and kind of go in, down, and out. And I just do that throughout the head. Okay, and then I spray. Oh, I think you're gonna love it like a lot better. See, it was fun. You went to that change to change it back to this. That's a good change, see?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna turn her into the mirror so I can see exactly what I'm doing here. Feel better? Oh, I love it.
I just had a thought. I don't think I put eyebrows on this morning.
Oh, right. Oh, well, you look gorgeous, girl. See how sweet of her. She just let us do her hair and she doesn't think she put her eyebrows on this morning. She looks gorgeous. You do, you do. Okay, so I'm just combing, putting that in place. Okay. And then just gonna spray that. And then the Glossy Shine Spray to finish it. And then I'm gonna turn her around so you guys can see her super cute hair. Okay, Peg, thanks again for letting us record, and you didn't know anything about it. So anyway, she is the best. I just wanted to show you, especially where she wanted to cut that front off instead of having it long. I wanted you to know how to do that. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. I would love to get back with you, and I appreciate your friendships out there. So take care, be safe. See ya.